Alright everybody, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla, and really and truly, well, I don't know if I tell you, it's just one of them days I'm have to just show you this, the JUTC system, the transportation system in Jamaica Urban Transit Company, you see me I say? Just to make sure I understand what JUTC means, you see me? Now, enough people drive, so enough of the viewers them goodly watch this and I search up what about it, but a fight actually broke upon it, you understand? And it's really hard for me to explain. That's why I'm really showing this clip here where you can take a full look and understand what I'm going on, because only who take the bus them can see exactly what me I talk about with the whole thing, you see me? So look on the fight here, observe.
Fire big box now. That's how I put them on fire little. Hey, that's why people don't look at them can't done them dead. Lady don't know. Lady don't know. Lady you can't done. Lady don't know what they have to go home now. Who can don't take them off? Morning done no man. Morning I want to
Transportation system in Jamaica need more improvement, Yeah, no, it need more improvement. I have to tell you this, I don't mean to look aside when I say that, because really and truly, I feel a way if I say it, but it's the truth. It need more improvement, because look in at the bus and look how the bus pack. Look on the amount of people with the in that bus, right? Now, I now say standing passenger of the inner bus, but not so much. That's too much. You get what I said to you? That's a whole heap. The people them packing at the bus like sardines in a way to me, right? The camera woman, she love it, The camera woman, she has some things where it's like a whole entertainment to she the theater. You see me? But for real, you see me I understand where people are come from, and I see what happen with things like them. I mean, I really like to see people feel these kind of ways, Hot, I come home from work and exhausted and packed with all different kind of peoples in one bus. Really and truly, it's not a good feeling. I know it, I used to do it, and them just, I say people not to take bus, because believe you me, I still will take bus every now and then, but not that way. We need more buses and the system need to be more improved. Alright? Well, anyways, thanks for watching. You know me I say, big up to you, my viewers, and as always, if you need to know more what go on, you have to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to let me know what you think also. My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.